Hello friends, welcome to our channel Charu Chaudhary. Friends, here I will tell you how you can write an essay on Christmas celebration during COVID-19 pandemic. Friends, before watching this essay, you must subscribe our channel. Christmas is celebrated across the world with great pomp on December 25th. It is the annual festival celebration of Jesus Christ's birth. The celebration of Christmas is not just confined to people who practice Christianity. Most of the educational institutions and schools celebrate Christmas with various activities such as Christmas essay and drawing competition. Christmas celebration. The celebrations of Christmas kick start with the prayers and performances in the church. Kids are showered with a lot of gifts from parents, neighbors, friends, and well wishers. They will also meet Santa Claus. Kids will get an opportunity to taste homemade traditional cakes and muffins. Christmas celebration during COVID. The COVID-19 pandemic has been stressful and isolating many people. Gathering during the Christmas can be an opportunity to reconnect with the family and friends. This holiday season, consider how your holiday plans can be modified to reduce the spread of COVID-19 to keep your friends, families, and communities healthy and safe. While Christmas will certainly look different this year, that doesn't mean you can't celebrate with your family or quarantine pot. But the key to a safe and healthy gathering is to keep it as intimate as possible. While the Christmas Day celebration doesn't currently have a limit or recommendation on the number of guests allowed per party, the fewer people you invite, the less risk you pose for your guests. Of course, that means crowded indoor gatherings like Christmas Con 2020 are certainly off the table. But a small family dinner party, it's doable. So it's doable even though you will be inviting a smaller group of guests. Sending COVID Christmas invitation will make this holiday feel special. Share your safety plan ahead of time to keep guests in the loop. Everyone's comfort level and risk tolerance are different. So, transparency is key. The sooner you establish ground rules for the holiday, the sooner you can start enjoying the season. Use your invitation to let guests know what steps you have put in place, how many people will be invited, or what social distancing guidelines you will be following during the party. The more details you can provide upfront, the better, so guests will know what can expect when they arrive. Stay organized with a COVID Christmas to-do list. Decorations aren't the only important supplies you will need to host Christmas this year. Factor in extra cleaning supplies and sanitizers when setting your budget. Make your list and shop early if you can to avoid the holiday rush on essentials like this. Hand sanitizer. Set up hand sanitizer stations at all entrances or exits. in the kitchen and in bathrooms, especially when hosting outside where access to running water is limited. Make sure you provide alcohol based hand sanitizer that's at least 60% alcohol. Paper towels. Swap regular hand towels for single use disposable paper hand towels. Disposable tableware. While not as eco-friendly, 2020 is the exception to our rule to avoid single-use tableware. Stock up on paper plates, cups, napkins and silverware. Face masks. Ask guests to buy face masks but have extras on hand if anyone forgets. You can also provide festive Christmas masks as a 2020 friendly party favor. Make it easy for guests to social distance. Along with hosting outdoors or avoiding overnights, there are other ways to minimize exposure and social distance while you are together. Skip welcome hugs. Fight the urge to hug friends and family. We know it's been a while and go for elbow bumps instead. If you must hug, wear your mask to limit exposure. Limit surface exposure. Limit how many surfaces guests have to touch. Wipe down tables. Disinfect surfaces throughout the event. Separate personal items. Skip the giant pile of coats on your bed this year. Keep coats, bags, and personal items separate when possible. Washed linens. Wash any reusable linens after each meal or use hassle-free disposable napkins. Conclusion. Christmas is one of the most favorite festival of people. Everyone want to make this day memorable. This is very hard time because of COVID-19, but we wish that we will enjoy this day by taking care of ourselves. We will follow all rules regarding COVID safety. I wish this day brings lot of happiness and Santa save us and the whole world from the COVID-19 pandemic. थैंक यू वेरी मच। तो दोस्तों यह था ऐसे किस तरीके से क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेट किया जा सकता है। कोविड-19 चल रहा है, जैसे कि कोविड-19 बीमारी के बारे में आप सभी जानते हैं, कोरोना से पूरा विश्व जूझ रहा है। उस दौरान कैसे क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेट किया जा सकता है। उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो आप चैनल को लाइक कर सकते हैं, शेयर कर सकते हैं, सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।